Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to contact Coinbase by email. If you are looking for a way to contact the Coinbase support team via email, then first of all, you'll need to know the correct email address you can send the email request to. So, in order to find that, go ahead and click on your profile initial at the top right corner of the home page of Coinbase. Once you are done, click on the help option. In the help page, you will be able to find all the help regarding the Coinbase platform. In order to reach out to Coinbase support via email, you can go ahead and look for the Contact Us button inside the help page. Once you click on Contact, you will be able to see the contact information for a particular product. Click on the Coinbase option under Choose a Product and then go ahead and look for any contact information that you can use to contact directly to the customer support team of Coinbase. There you might also be able to find an email address from where you can contact to the customer support team. But if you didn't find the email address on this page, let me make it easier for you. Go ahead and open up a new tab and find any one email service provider. I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Gmail account. You can open up any other email service provider of your choice. Once you open up the email service provider, go ahead and compose a new email to Coinbase. Click the Compose button which should appear on the main interface, and then after you do that, inside the Recipients tab, go ahead and click on the To button and then type in support@coinbase.com. After you type in this email address, you can simply go ahead and enter a subject that you would like to talk to the customer service team about, and then enter your message or your email in the body of the text. Go ahead and type in your message you need help with. Make sure to type down any extra information if you wish, and then finally click on the Send button. You can also reach out to the customer support team via email by typing in contact@coinbase.com. These are the two email addresses that you can use in order to contact the Coinbase customer support team and write an email with a problem or write an email seeking the solution from their end. So that's how you will be able to contact Coinbase support via email. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.